Let's talk about how experience causes a pay decrease in some cases for technicians. This is where flat rate becomes something of a double-edged sword, because on one hand, technicians do have the opportunity to beat clock times and make really good money week after week. I've seen technicians get paid for 100 hours for 40 hours in the building. That's a pretty good paycheck. But on the other side of it, as you grow in your experience as a technician, you start working on more difficult jobs. And those more difficult jobs leave more opportunity for you to not beat clock times, especially if it's warranty. Because, for example, if you replace, we'll just say a water pump. I always say a water pump, but it's because most people can understand what a water pump is. If you replace a water pump on this vehicle that I'm sitting in under customer pay, it might pay something like, I don't know, 2 hours, right? I don't know if that's real or not, but let's just say it's 2 hours customer pay. If you replace the same water pump on the same vehicle, just under warranty, it'll pay 1 hour or 1.5 hours. It's going to be less to some degree. Sometimes it's so drastically less that it might just pay a half hour. Same exact job, same exact vehicle, different pay. And that's the things you run into as a mainline technician as you grow in your experience. Yes, you make more money per flat rate hour, but you have less capacity or less ability, less opportunity to make those flat rate hours because of the nature of the jobs and the things coming your way. So I knew a lot of flat rate techs because we had a few that were in Quick Lane that were making more money than mainline technicians in some cases. That wasn't always the case, but it was a possibility, and it was kind of mind-boggling to me because it's like, why would you want to learn and grow when you can make a killing in Quick Lane? If you're on flat rate, that is, if you're a flat rate technician in Quick Lane, you could be making a killing in Quick Lane compared to what you'd be making in the mainline shop doing all that mainline work, which is really important and takes a super specialized and experienced technician to do. Yes, again, they make more per flat rate hour, but they have less opportunity for those hours in certain cases due to warranty, due to crazy concerns it takes forever to chase, due to customers not paying, extended warranties, all this different kind of stuff that happens. So I'm going to ask you, how do we solve this? Is this a flat rate problem? Should everyone get a salary? But what about those technicians that make that 100 hours every single week but only work a 40? They're going to take a hit on pay. Is it fair to make everybody go to an hourly salary to solve this? Is it a technician issue? Is it an industry issue? I'd like to hear from you.